You clean your house every day. But have you ever spoken those actions in English? Let's do it together. Real cleaning, real words, real English. Welcome to Shadowing for Real Life. Day 4. Today we'll clean and organize while speaking English. These are phrases you already live. Now you'll say them out loud. First, listen to the story. Then we'll repeat everything together. Let's go. Story. Cleaning and organizing. I start with the living room. I look around the room and take a deep breath. Okay, let's clean this mess. First, I pick up the pillows from the floor and put them back on the couch. Then I fold the blanket and place it neatly on the armrest. There are toys everywhere. I grab a basket and start collecting them, one by one. Some go in the box, others under the bed. Next, I grab the duster and wipe the shelves. There's dust on everything. I sneeze. I keep going. I take a cloth and clean the coffee table. I spray some cleaner, wipe it down, and dry it with a towel. It smells fresh now. I go to the kitchen. There are dishes in the sink. I put on my gloves, turn on the water, and start washing. Plates, cups, spoons, knives, everything gets clean. I dry the dishes and put them away, cabinet by cabinet. Then I wipe the counters. Done. Finally, I sweep the floor. So many crumbs. Then I mop. The floor looks shiny now. I light a candle. The room feels calm again. I sit down and breathe. Not perfect, but clean. Not fast, but done. And yes, I said it all in English. Shadowing. Repeat after me. Let's say these phrases together. Slow first, then natural. Use your voice. I look around the room. Repeat. I look around the room. Let's clean this mess. Say it again. Let's clean this mess. I pick up the pillows. Repeat. I pick up the pillows. I fold the blanket. Say it with me. I fold the blanket. I grab the toy basket. Repeat. I grab the toy basket. I put the toys away. Say it again. I put the toys away. I grab the duster. Repeat. I grab the duster. I wipe the shelves. Say it with me. I wipe the shelves. I sneeze. Repeat. I sneeze. I keep going. Say it again. I keep going. I clean the coffee table. Repeat. I clean the coffee table. I spray some cleaner. Say it with me. I spray some cleaner. I wipe it down. Repeat. I wipe it down. I dry it with a towel. Say it again. I dry it with a towel. It smells fresh. Repeat. It smells fresh. I do the dishes. Say it with me. I do the dishes. I wash the cups and spoons. Repeat. I wash the cups and spoons. I dry the dishes. Say it again. I dry the dishes. I put them away. Repeat. I put them away. I wipe the counter. Say it with me. I wipe the counter. I sweep the floor. Repeat. I sweep the floor. There are crumbs everywhere. Say it again. There are crumbs everywhere. I mop the floor. Repeat. I mop the floor. It looks shiny now. Say it with me. It looks shiny now. I light a candle. Repeat. I light a candle. I sit down and breathe. Say it again. I sit down and breathe. Not perfect, but clean. Repeat. Not perfect, but clean.
You just cleaned your house in English. This is real fluency. This is your voice in your everyday life. What's the first thing you clean in the morning? Comment below and say it in English. Subscribe to keep going. In the next edition, we'll talk about your family and how to say every relative in English. See you in the next chapter.